For this example, they ask us to differentiate for the equation below. For the first equation, y is equals to cos square and then sec x. So y is in terms of x. Y is expressed value in terms of x. So this question is explicit differentiation. When you look at question B, y also in terms of x. So all here is x function. So all these three questions, they are explicit differentiation. So explicit differentiation, when you want to differentiate, firstly, your x written in power form. For cert, you will power of 1 over 2. When you differentiate y, means you are going to respect to x. So differentiate trigo with the power. We having 4 steps here. Power move to the front. Power minus 1. Differentiate trigo. Differentiate its angle. So the power here move to the front, multiply to the front. The power minus 1 means we're having cos only for sec x. And then we are going to differentiate the trigo. When we're going to differentiate the trigo, we are observing the cos term here without referring the power. So differentiate cos, we get negative sign. So angle will be follow sec x. And then the last step here is going to differentiate its angle. So it means what is inside the bracket here. The angle here is x power of 1 over 2. So power move to the front and power minus 1. So this is how we differentiate trigo. Then we're going to simplify this. We write it into the position. So as we can see, 2 and divide by 2 can be simplified. And then cos sec x times sine sec x negatively. Then over x here is negative. So over square root x here. So we have here cos x sine x. We still can simplify it. So using our double angle formula, where sine 2a will be equals to 2 sine a cos a. So since here we only have sine a cos a, so when we simplify it into the double angle formula, it will be 1 over 2 times sine 2a. So move the 2 to the left hand side. So it will become double angle sine 2a over 2. Therefore, to simplify this, we can get negative sine 2a. The angle here is square root, so 2a become 2 sec x over 2 times sec x. So this is the angle, this is the denominator. We cannot simplify, we cannot cancel it. When you cancel it, the trigo without angle is not a function. So trigo with angle is this one body. We cannot just cut out the angle and then leave the side alone. Then we move on to question B, where y equals to ln x squared e negative x. So when we're doing ln, always remember we can use the properties of the ln, where ln a times b can be split it out, become ln a plus ln b. Or your function of the ln is a over b, it can be ln a minus ln b. So it is depends on your item inside your ln here. So you will see your easy per root ln here. If your easy per root ln if in multiply or division, you need to simplify it, then will be easier for us to differentiate. So simplify your ln using properties will be ln x squared plus ln e negative x. And then some more power we can move to the front, 2 ln x. This is properties of the ln. And then ln e here we have 1. So finally is negative x here. To differentiate this, we are going to differentiate y with respect to x because your y is in terms of x. So coefficient just maintain. For the long function, signing is equal take the fx at denominator, differentiate it at numerator. So differentiate x, we get 1. And differentiate x here again, we get 1. So simplify, it will be 2 over x minus 1. Then continue. For question C, e2x times sine x. When we observe our function of x, we have two functions here. One is in exponential function. Another one, our x in trigo function. So when our function, two functions multiply it together, we are going to use product rule to differentiate this dy dx. Using product rule, it will be copy the front, differentiate at the back, then plus copy the back function, differentiate the front function. So salin yang depan, differentiate yang belakang. After that, we only differentiate this. Then salin yang belakang, differentiate depan. Alright, copy the function first, then we'll differentiate one by one. So copy the front function, differentiate the back function here. Differentiate trigo sine without power. So we have two steps, which is differentiate the trigo sine, we get cos, and differentiate the angle, we get 3. Then salin yang belakang, differentiate the depan. So the back bracket there is going to differentiate this exponential. To differentiate exponential function, copy the question and differentiate its power, which is 2x, we get 2. After that, we're going to simplify. So to simplify this, we're going to factorize, find the common factor here. So this is your front term, this is your first term, plus another term here. So you can see what is a similar term here, which is e2x. Therefore, we take out our e2x. We factorize our e2x. This is our common factor. When you take out e2x, we have 3 cos 3x. Plus, here we have 2 sine 3x. So that's all for this.